We now live in the information age. Success in business is based in large part on how much information someone has and how he or she is able to use that information. Managers need to have available to them large amounts of data. They must be able to understand those data, analyze them, and manipulate data. I am Rejoice Estova.
Computers, the basic tools of electronic information processing, can facilitate such work. Their capacity to store huge amounts of data can make information readily accessible. Electronic tools have not eliminated the need for the basic communication skills, but have created new obstacles or barriers to communication that must be overcome. Also, these tools create opportunities and benefits to people. I am Marvin Jim Kabudsan.
Today, we will be discussing the electronic tools for business communication, and this will be the flow of our discussion. In this presentation, we will be discussing the basics of computers, manipulating, presenting, and sharing of data, the executive workstation, and the computers and the barriers to communication. Now, let us start. A computer is a device made up of both software and hardware components. It basically performs four types of basic operations: input operations, storage operations, data processing, and output operations. The computer performs these operations with the help of various software and hardware components during the program execution. Now, let us know what hardware is. Hardware is the physical part of a computer. Types of hardware: CPU or central processing unit, keyboard, and monitor. Although many different kinds of computer equipment exist, these are the equipments that are essentials to any computer. Other pieces of equipment can be added to increase its capabilities. A modem, for one, is a device that connects the computer to the internet. Mouse allows the user to move information around and more efficiently than keyboard. Now, what does software do? Computer hardware is virtually useless without computer software. The CPU is capable of many tasks, but the software tells it exactly which one is to perform. These instructions are called programs. The computer is used for many purposes. The user may use the computer for writing a document or an email, browsing the internet, watching movies, or any other purpose. The computer system needs different types of application software to perform different jobs. For example, MS Word is used for creating documents. Each application program provides a specific functionality to other users. Manipulating data. These are programs that computerize the creation, edition, and printing of documents by electronically processing text data. Word processing is an important application of office automation. Office reports and documents became easier to produce because of many features. Some of these features include insert and delete, block, search and replace, and mail merge. Now, imagine working in an office with none of these. These are the tools that make office work much easier. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a software program you use to easily perform mathematical calculations on statistical data and totaling long columns of numbers or determining averages and percentage. You can also use a spreadsheet to generate data visualizations like charts to display the statistical information you want to present. As an accountant, this is the most used software application in our office.